How to replace a Human Touch ALTUS arm. You will need a 5mm Allen wrench, a wire cutter, and zip ties. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, remove the 2 knobs that secure the front of the seat cushion to the chair. Lift up on the front of the seat cushion, pull it slightly away from the backrest, then disconnect the connectors. Remove the seat cushion. Then, use a wire cutter to cut the 2 zip ties that secure the connector to the chair frame on the same side as the arm you are replacing. Remove the zip ties, then disconnect the connectors. Now, from the rear of the chair, use a 5mm Allen wrench to loosen the screw that secures the arm to the chair. You should be able to feel the screw disengage from the arm. While rotating the arm slightly up and down, pull outward to remove it. To install the new arm, slide the mounting post into the mounting bracket as far as it will go. You may need to rotate the arm slightly up and down to fully seat the mounting post. Next, pull the arm cable to the front of the backrest under the chair frame, then connect it to the corresponding connector from the chair. Install a new zip tie through the connector slots, then wrap it around the chair frame before securing it. Install a second zip tie next to the first. Cut the excess zip ties. Now, tighten the screw on the rear of the arm. Pull outward on the arm to ensure that it is secure. If you can pull it outward, the rear screw is not properly engaged. Note the connector and the 2 mounting points on the underside of the seat, the bracket hooks under the center rear chair frame, and the 2 front posts must be inserted into the corresponding holes at the front of the frame. Lower the seat cushion into position, leaving room to access the connectors, then connect the connectors. Slide the seat backward to engage the center bracket with the chair frame, then lower the 2 mounting posts into the corresponding holes on the frame. Install the 2 knobs you previously removed onto the mounting posts to secure the front of the seat cushion to the chair. Finally, plug in the chair. Power it on. Then confirm that the chair is working properly.